In front of me is REALME Note 50, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off auto rotation. Begin by going into tab menu and looking for auto rotate shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is blue, which means that auto rotation is enabled. To disable it, click on the same tile again. If you want to, you can also go into Devices Settings, scroll down just a bit and access Display. Then scroll all the way down and tap on this switcher next to Auto Rotate screen to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!